I'm Vaidas Adamovskas, president of Agile Lithuania, association of individuals that get together to talk and share their experiences on Agile. I just now realized that besides on Lithuanian, how many people do not speak Lithuanian in the audience? Quite a few. Okay. So I'll tell what's on the slides. I'm sure it's pretty hard to read for you, yes? So just, what is Agile Lithuania? We're actually just a group of people who are interested to share ideas, and we get together and do that. This is a non-profit organization. We don't have anyone as an employee. Everyone is volunteering and looking to get what he wants from this association. What else? What do? We have, of course, a website and a mailing group where we share all the information. So if you go to agile.lt, you can find many articles that our members and other people post about events and everything. Main thing and how actually this community started is organizing conferences. And some time ago we had one more conference in spring. Now we canceled it to focus on the October event. And as you now, it's Agile Tour is the biggest event about Agile actually in Baltics nowadays. And we have Kaunas conference, we have training classes, so if anyone wants to go deep, there is still some places left for trainings that are being next week, and then the conference in Vilnius. These are photos actually of one of the first conferences in Kaunas and Vilnius. What else do? We organize user groups, usually at the last Tuesday and Thursday of the month. Sometimes it changes. So it's much smaller event, about 20-30 people get together to discuss the topic they're interested in. So if you follow either our Facebook or page or you're on an email group, you will get that information. So it's really a good place to get to people that have the same interest and discuss about them. Also, some of our volunteers are working on translations. You know, in Lithuania, it's a bit hard to translate. In Agile community, we tend to speak lots of English jargon. But because Agile is getting even more and more to public sector, we have to find a way to speak Lithuanian. So there is main things, Agile terms, Agile manifesto, and Scrum guide is translated to Lithuanian. So please use those terms, try to learn how user story is in Lithuanian. Who knows how user story is in Lithuanian? Some guesses? Vartotojo istorija. Formal translation that we all agreed is vartotojo pasakojimas. Sounds strange, but when you start using it, you get to it. So there is a vocabulary, look at it time to time. It's actually approved by the Lithuanian Kalbos Komisija, the Committee of Language, whatever, so these terms are really applicable, so you can use them. The other part, which is very important, that we want our government institutions to start using this method well for the IT projects, because of course this is the way they can make much better services to us. And what we achieved so far is actually the main document, I have no clue how to translate that, the methodic of the life cycle of information systems actually includes that you can create them either the old traditional waterfall way or modular agile. So this is a big achievement. We achieved that. If you are going for public projects, you can actually officially now say that I'm using it. And every spring we organize a kind of breakfast event with different people from government sector. And this year we had and we discussed how to make your procurement documents that they would be applicable to this. And there is a work group that's working on this as well, so it's getting into public sector as well. We have fun as well, like summer festivals and everything. This is picture, I think, from 2 years ago where we had a summer festival and there was wedding next, so lots of candies. So just to finish up, these are the two teams that organize these two conferences. I want to say big thanks to those people because they are doing actual work. They got you here, they put a very nice agenda, and they spent many hours to make sure that you will have the amazing day today. So please thank them again, and I wish you a very good day.
Okay, so we can move on. So this is our schedule for today. It's pretty busy, as you see. And I want to remind you, don't forget to leave your feedback. You can do that on a paper forms, which you have in all your bags, or you can do that online. You can see in our side of your badges. Because in the end, these feedbacks will give you prizes. So I suggest you to leave for them for us, because we need your feedback. And of course, nothing would happen with our sponsors. So our general sponsor of Agile Tour, both Kaunas and Vilnius, Visma. Give applause. Also, major sponsors of Agile Tour Kaunas, Call Credit, Intermedics, NFQ. Our sponsors, Equinox, Festa, and our good friends and partners, Kaunas Jerk. Give them applause.